Hi, today we are going to see how to use Putty on Windows 10. So it is an alternative to Telnet clients. Its primary advantage is that SSH provides a secure encrypt connection to remote system. It is also small and self-contained and can be carried around to a floppy disk. So start button, then open Putty. Here you have to give the host name or his IP address and his port. Then you have to select the connection type, and if you want to save the session or delete the session, then you can do it here. You can load, save or delete the session. Also, you can, if you want to close the window on exit, then click on always or never or only on the clean exit. After that, click open. Then it will connect to the host IP. So that's how to use Putty. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.